Today we're going to teach you how to make a homemade pizza. First, you flour the dough very well. You put a little cornmeal on the pallet here, okay? Then you take the dough, and you start stretching it. Go all the way around, stretching it out. Stay on the outside. Don't go to the center yet. Just do the outside. Shape it. Make it round. Keep stretching. Keep going round and round, all around it. Flipping it. Flouring it up again. And keep going round. The object is to stretch it out to that size pallet. You won't get it the first time. They may come a little screwed up, but if you stay with it, you'll perfect it. Now you work to the center. Okay. Keep doing it. You could take it and do this to it. If you like, it stretches the outside without breaking the center. After you stretch the outside, you put it on your knuckles. And you hold your thumb on the outside and just keep stretching. Just keep stretching until you see the consistency of the stretch that you want. If you like it thin, you make it thin. Okay, after you got that, you put it on the pallet. Okay, stretch it out. You put your sauce. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you put your seasoning. I like oregano. I like garlic powder. I put a little bit of roasted garlic and herb. I love this. I put this on everything that I make. And you put your cheese. Don't overdo it with the cheese because it will bubble up and stick to the top of the oven, since I'm using this type of oven. This is a high quality shredded mozzarella, the equivalent to grande cheese, which you pizza people know is a top quality pizza cheese. Then you stretch it again. You can stretch it a little more. Okay. That's it. We're ready to go in the oven. Five minutes, it should be done. After 4 minutes in, you could check your pizza and you could spin it around, okay, and leave it in there for another minute. If you like, you could pop the bubbles as well. And leave it in there for another minute. Okay, we're ready for the moment of truth. Let's see this pizza. Wow, looks great on the top. Let's check the bottom. Bottom is perfect. Look at that. Best oven I ever had, because I'll use it. Other ovens, you have to start up earlier. You have to wait till they get hot. This one's hot in 10 minutes. And look at the results. There you go. That's it. Bon appetit.